My name is Emily Neger. I'm a psychologist in the Department of Developmental Pediatrics here at Prisma Health. I'm originally from New York City, and I did my undergraduate at Tufts University outside of Boston, and then came down to South Carolina for my doctorate at the University of South Carolina. The developmental pediatrics looks at what might be causing some differences in how a child develops. Some of the things that we see for kids who come into our practice are concerns for autism, ADHD, developmental delay. The main focus of my work is in autism. I always knew I wanted to work with kids, and I thought about being a pediatrician for a while. I thought about going into teaching, and I found that psychology really kind of was a great combination of all of those things. I knew I was fascinated by how the brain works, and I started working with kids with autism when I was in high school and fell in love with the population. You meet one child with autism and you've met one child with autism. They look so different, and it's fascinating to see how these kids grow and learn, and it's just really rewarding to be able to work with a family and walk them through the process of learning about their kid in this way. I inspire health and educate parents. I think there's a lot of misconceptions out there about autism. We see sort of classic portrayals on TV, but there's not really one way autism looks in kids. And so helping parents understand why their children behave in a certain way, or helping them learn, the child can't really help it. It's not something they're doing on purpose, and giving parents an opportunity to kind of meet their child where they're at and love them as much as they possibly can for who they are, and really empower parents to advocate for their children in school through increased knowledge. That's one of the most rewarding parts of being in this field. And when I'm not at work, I enjoy spending time with my husband, and we have 2 young daughters. We're also big animal people, so we have a lot of pets, and I love just exploring Columbia, taking them around to different breweries and different festivals and things that happen around, and I'm also kind of artsy, craftsy. I like crocheting and working on art projects with my daughters. If you'd like to make an appointment with me, please ask your pediatrician for a referral.